This is probably the weirdest film simulation recipe that I've experimented with so far. I was trying to achieve that look you get when you fail to process your film properly or mess up some chemical substances during the processing of your film. The result was weird, yet it gives you that old nostalgia that you cannot exactly explain. I experimented with this recipe on my old friend the Canon G12, but it should work on any Canon camera with the same feature settings. If you have a Canon G series camera, as far as I know, you need to have at least the G11 model or later, as the G9 and G10 do not have the white balance shifts or white balance bracketing feature. Please keep that in mind. As always, without further ado, here is the recipe. Da 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 da! Make sure to set your camera to shoot JPEG only, otherwise you cannot access the custom color setting. Set your white balance to tungsten and adjust the white balance shift to A9 and M8, Amber 9, Magenta 8. Go to the custom color setting and set as follows: contrast +2, sharpness -1, saturation +2, red +2, green +2, blue +2, and skin tone leave it at 0. I mostly shoot at f4, set the ISO to auto, and you're good to go. If you want more top secret hacks and tricks to transform your ancient cameras into Hollywood superstars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join me on this photographic roller coaster. Until next time, keep snapping and keep it budget tight. Au revoir.